Roberts has one of those. Eric Berkey and Rick Roberts trying to put an end to this thing the way it ought to be, with a big, loud wreck. Each car jockeying for position. Eric Berkey having a little trouble getting that thing going for a minute. You don't want your car to die where Rick Roberts can clobber you. And the chase is on. Sooner or later, one of these cars will get into a position where he can't avoid the other one, and it's going to be over. This could be it right here. Wow, how do you miss that? Rick Roberts' car is very, very warm. It's protesting loudly each time he steps on the gas pedal. And Eric Berkey gets out of there just in the nick of time. It is so to speak, to hit a car with a red flag out, so these have just simply become obstacles. Eric Berkey with a head of steam and just barely missed. This could be good. A legal hit. He got him right on the left front wheel, which is not a bad place to hit the car. Obviously, if you can break an A-frame or a spindle, you can render that car practically undrivable. I believe Eric's going to have a lot of trouble starting that car. It's hot. There's smoke coming out of every bolt hole on that thing. Somehow, Rick Roberts keeps his running.